Hello guys, welcome to my Android app tutorial. In this video I'm gonna send an image from my Android phone to MSSQL server using JDBC. So to do this, first you have to include a jar file JDDS 1.2.7. You can download this file from the internet and you have to include this jar file into your project. After including this jar file, you have to open your build Gradle module and you have to add this line into your dependencies because this will compile the file that you just have included. After doing this, you have to open your Android manifest.xml file and you have to write two permissions over there. The first one is for internet permission and the second permission is for external storage permission because your application is going to access your gallery. So the next thing is you have to go to your main activity main.xml file. This is the layout of your application. So I have just dropped a text view from the widget. I have just dropped image view from the widgets and from dropped a button here, a text view again, and here's the progress bar. So you have to drop all these and you can drop all this from drag and dropping here. After this is the XML code of my application. This specifies the text view, my image upload app, which I just have showed you before. So here is the image view. I gave the ID image view to my image view and I gave the upload ID to my button. I gave a text show error ID to my text view because I'm going to handle some exceptions in my application and show them on the text view, so that's why I'm using this text view. And as you can see here, it describing that error message goes here, and this is the progress bar which will show the progress of my application. So here is the Java code main activity .java, which contain all the code of your application. Here are some imports which Android Studio can automatically do it for you. You don't have to import these uh, libraries. So here is the main activity class. I have specified a image result load image variable which is used in the opening the gallery, and here is the image view, button, text view, and the progress bar. These are the layout widgets that I have used in my application, so I have to declare them all because I'm gonna use them in my application. After declaring these layout views, I have declared some connection variables and username, IP, password, and database strings. So here is a string encoded image which will contain the base 64 of my image at the end of my application. So here is the Oncreate method which would call when your activity starts. Here I have get the find the views of my image view, button, text view, progress bar, and allocate them to the variables that I previously declared here. So after this, I have set the visibility of my progress bar to gone. Here I have declared my database credentials. The first one is IP. So you have to write the IP of your database here, and don't forget to add the port of your IP here, because if you don't specify the port, then this will not connect to your database. So here your database name will go. Here you have to write your username of your database, and here you have to write your password of your database. So here is the set on click listener. When I click the upload button that I have just created here, so it will call an on click listener which will open the gallery, because I am making a gallery intent which will show me only the images from the gallery and load those images to my next activity. So my next activity is on activity result. This activity will automatically called by start activity for result because I'm passing gallery intent in it. So here I have three parameters: request code, result code, and data. Data contains the image, result code contains either it is okay or not, and request code contains the code that I have given to the result load image. So if picture selection was successful, then I'm entering in the if condition. I have initializing bitmap object. Here I have getting the image URI from the gallery and saving it to the selected image, and I am making a input stream over here, and I am trying to get the image and saving into the stream. I have declared a selected image, the URI, and passed it into the input stream to get the stream of the image. So after getting the stream, I decoded the stream using bitmap factory over here and stored it in origin bitmap, which I declared here. After this, so here's the catch method, which will catch the exception if I file not found. It will specify me that okay, there is no file, and show me in the text view that I declared here. Okay, after this, if origin bitmap not equal to null, then the picture that I just have selected from the gallery, it will set into the image view that I created over here. It will be set in the image view over here. So after this I am getting the image from the image view and saving it again in the bitmap in this line, and in this line I am creating the byte output stream. So why I am doing this, because I have to get the bitmap and store it into the buffer of my you can say a heap of my mobile phone. So I have to create a byte output stream over here. So I'm passing the output stream to my bitmap compressed format, because I'm compressing this image in this line, image dot compress bitmap dot compress format JPEG. I'm compressing it in JPEG. You can also compress in PNG formats, and there are others as well. So let it be JPEG. So you can specify the pixels as well. I can do 90, I can do 80, I can do 0, because but I'm giving it a full pixels. So here's the encoded image string that I just have created at the start. Encoded image string, which will contains the base 64 base 64 dot encode to string byte array output stream to byte array. I'm getting the byte array and saving it to converting it to the base 64, and here's I'm opening the async task, executing the async task here. So as you know guys, async task contains three methods in it: pre-execute, post-execute, and do in background. So on pre-execute, I'm starting the visibility of progress bar and opening the connection. I'm connecting the my phone with database. So here's my connection helper function at the end. Here's my connection helper function, which will connect to the database of MSSQL server from Android application. So here in do in background method, I have using a try-catch method. In try, if connection con is equal to null, it means that if connection that I send the request from the Android from the server, if connection is null, then it will show connection wrong, check credentials or internet permission. Okay, so I'm storing this string in a message, because I'm going to display this message to my text view in the application. So here's the if connection is successful, then you will be entered in the else area, and in this you have to write the query of the database. You insert into table name. You have to specify the table name of your own table that you have just created in your MSSQL server database, and column name and values, and don't forget that you have to specify data type of and varchar max, because I'm converting my image to base 64. So I'm executing my statement, and if my statement is executed successfully, then it will show inserted successfully. If it will throw any exception, and then I'm handling those exception, and SQL server SQL exception, IO exception, Android runtime exception and saving these exceptions to my message, so that I can show the user that okay, you are getting this type of exceptions. So I'm at the end I'm returning the message to the post execute method here, post execute method. So this is getting the parameter string r, which will get the message, and this will show the message in the text view that I just have created in my activity, to show the errors and to show the successfuls and to show the catch and exceptions, etc. So here I'm stopping my progress bar, and this is my connection helper that used to connect to MSSQL server, and this is all, guys. And I'm handling all the errors in my application. I'm handling all the exceptions, and this application is totally I had just tested it many times, and one more thing, you can't upload an image of more than 2.5 MB or 3 MB, because you can't insert whole image at once. If your image is more than 2.5 MB, then you have to break your image in parts, and you have to store your image in a database. Without breaking your image, you can't store your image, you can't upload your image, you can't insert your image in the database. So you have to break your image in parts. So this is all, guys. This is everything that you need to send your image from Android phone to MS SQL server. This is a tested application. Here are some screenshots that you can see I have taken after the confirmation, after the testing. So this is all, and stay updated and subscribe to my channel, because in next video I'm gonna send a video from my Android phone to SQL server, and sorry, in next video I'm gonna fetch an image from the SQL server. I'm gonna download an image from the MSSQL server. So thank you, guys. I'm again saying this application is tested. If you have any errors in your project, then do comment in the comment box section, and I will reply to you guys, and I will respond to you guys, because I am responsible for what I'm providing. So thank you, guys, and take care and have a good day.